Hi guys, if you are thinking about signing up for Hostinger, you are going to want to watch this video. I have been using Hostinger for a very long time, and in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about this web hosting company before you sign up. Right off the bat, I can tell you that Hostinger is not perfect, but I have chosen to continue using them to host my website even after testing out several other companies. I have used countless other hosting companies over the year, including HostGator, Bluehost, SiteGround, and several other. However, Hostinger is the company I currently see used to host all my site, and I will explain exactly why that is throughout this video. Now it's worth mentioning that if at any point while watching this video you decide you want to try Hostinger for yourself, you can actually get discounted pricing that is not available if you simple go to their website. You just have to use a special discounted link. If you want to get better pricing, I will including the link I use myself to save a bunch of money in the video description. Definitely take advantage of that link in the description. It saved me money every month or my hosting bill. Alrighty, now let's get straight to it. Here, everything you need to know about Hostinger. First off, Hostinger is a hosting company that was designed to provide an all-in-one website solution with great website speed while also offering 24 by 7 support. As the owner of a digital marketing company, I use Hostinger to manage multiple websites. It's helped me improve my workflow with their managed WordPress hosting. Their website speed optimization is definitely solid, and their light speed web server technology made a noticeable difference. They are the fastest host I have used to date. The free migration services is also a nice bonus. Their support really made transferring my website pretty easy and straightforward. They helped me migrate all my website from the previous hosting company free of charge. As someone who is not technical, they made migrating host extremely simple. Another main selling point is their pricing plan and simple. They have the best hosting price among their competitor, specifically consideration what you get for the price. They including free website migration. As I mentioned, they have a free website builder that is much better than other website builder you will find. Other hosting company, I dare say it as good as WordPress. My site since transferring to Hostinger have seen massive speed increase. My load time have never been quicker. On average across all my website, I have seen a 3-second load time decreases, meaning my website load time dropped by 3 whole second. This change alone has increasing conversion on all my website, meaning that switching to Hostinger has legitimately made me more money than I had with my previous hosting company, which was Bluehost. The only thing I do not like about Hostinger is that they do not offer any discounting on their website. You actually have to use a special discount link if you want to get their discounted pricing. However, I have saved you a bunch of time searching for a discount, and I have placed the best discount Hostinger offer in the video description. So definitely take advantage of those savings if you decide to sign up. This discounted save me a bunch of money every single month on my hosting bill. Overall, Hostinger is by far the best hosting company I have used to date. For the first time in my website career, I can say that I will not be looking for another hosting company. I will likely stick with Hostinger for the life of my website. Needless to say, I have been very satisfied. Their pricing is cheaper than my previous hosting company. My website load on every 3 seconds faster than before, and anytime I have a question or issue, it's answered within minutes by their live support. I have been very satisfied with Hostinger, and it's no surprise to me they become one of the most popular hosting company within a very short time. They are eating all of the other hosting company lunch, and I am personally very happy to see it with the amount of hour I have wasted going through sport ticket with other hosting company over the year. I am very happy I found Hostinger, as they have made my life as a webmaster a lot easier and much less stressful. In conclusion, if you are looking for a hosting company that stand above the rest, Hostinger is my number one recommendation. Just make sure you take advantage of their discounted pricing by using that link in the video description before you sign up. All right, you guys, if you made it this far, please drop a link on this video. It really help out the channel. If you have any question, just write a comment down below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.